Hello. Okay, so today we're going to have another shot at the generation algorithm. I've simplified it a bit. I've simplified it a bit today. I'm just going to get rid of that whole. It must be generated around one spot, because that's just not going to work. Instead, we're just going to generate each room containing each up staircase. Then we place the down staircase, generate a room around that. And then while the room density is less than our target, you find the maximal rectangle of all rooms, which is the algorithm that we were looking at the previous stream. And then place a room inside that rectangle. Then we shuffle each room in sequence, then link them up. Hopefully the linkage will be the same. But yeah. And hopefully that will come up with a floor. So let's go to our dungeon generator linked rooms. Here we go. Yeah, Visual Studio's taking its sweet time. Here we go. So I think all of this we can probably get rid of. So all of this we'll comment out. Implement this abstract class here. Then maximal rectangle. Now, what was the... Was it this? Okay, so input this, output 6. So this is correct, this one. Single element, yeah. It's not this one. There was a there we go, dark mode. The article about the largest rectangular object, see Colorado. What? Okay. Largest rectangular object, see Colorado. Freaking Wikipedia, man. swear down. Why? Why would you put this here? Why would you put this sentence here? I mean, it's not wrong, but still. Why would you put that there? Largest empty rectangle, see Colorado. I don't know why I find that so funny. I don't know why I find that so funny. It's just, I don't know. Conversation geometry, the largest empty rectangle problem, maximum rectangle, mouse empty rectangle, blah 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 blah. In terms of size, measure the two compares the largest empty rectangle, large perimeter empty rectangle, blah 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 blah. Case high dimensions, minimum bounding rectangle. Domain rectangle containing points. Find a large rectangle with sides that does not contain any given points. Blah 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 blah. N squared, line large segments, obstacles, isometric. No, I don't. That's not going to find it. This is ridiculous. Create a stack, iterate through the row from left to right while the current index height is smaller than the top of the stack height. Compute the area of the current index. Yeah, we've gone on over that. And then it just gives you the multiple. We just need to replace this line, I think, with, instead of the max area, we need to update the rectangle itself. So, right, let's try and translate Java from... translate Java to C#. Which is pretty easy, I suppose. So public private rect to I maximal rectangle. Boolean cells, and I think that's just it. That's all we need. So I want it to mimic this movement grid graph, which means that we want them to equal false. Okay, if cells dot length equals 0, return new rect to I. Or this. two new array of dynamic programming, whatever you want to call it. There's new int, which is cells dot get length 0. The fuck? Oh, could this? Hang on. If we're doing that, we can just do it like that. We can just have a 2D array rather than a jagged array, I reckon. That's fine. And then if oh, this one we can actually. There we go. Just shows you what I'm trying to do. I'm assuming the ternary operator is the same in C# as it is in Java. No, so if this is this matrix sign goes, this equals 1. So if this is empty, so here they would be false. Area equals this, and then if area is greater than rect dot get area. So where do we get the rect start? Hang on. Max area equals 0. If area is greater than max area, then end equals this. Okay, so we have the lower right corner and we have the area. We also have the width. Max area, max area width equals width. And then max area length equals this. Area greater than max area and set the max area like that, and then finally equals end minus vector 2i max area length, max area width, no height. Return new rect 2i start end minus start. I think that's it. Private rect 2i room within rectangle. Then bar size equals bus size X equals math dot clamp min room size max room size. No, it's not room density, it's not GD randi either, it's RNG.randi. Percentage max room size. Like that? That can't be right. We need to make sure that rect is inbounds. So if rect.position.x is less than 0, or rect.position.y is less than 0, push error GD push error top left of rect is out of bounds. Rect.position. And then it would be end.x is less than floor dimensions, so greater than or equal to floor dimensions.x, greater than or equal to floor dimensions.y. Bottom right of rectangles out of bounds. Look at that. Size Y would be the same as size X. Then pos range X equals minus size X, and the same on the Y. Position Y would be the same. Then return new rectangle 2i plus x Was Y. Size X, size Y. Let me just check the profile class just to make sure that what's going on. Depth map, here we go, generate stairs locations. So these have been generated ahead of time. So we can get these. Right. These are all links. These are ints as well. I think that'll do it. Okay, first of all, if can do that. Reach for stairs. Rect pos equals rect pos is ff.min. And 0 rectpos minus min room size. No, it's stair pos, not rectpos. Bar rect. Okay, so generate route. Stair pos. New rect 2i. Are cells. No. Cells used equals new boolean of floor dimensions dot x, floor dimensions dot y. Actually, no. Rooms equals Alright, get this back. Because we can use this. Rooms dot add room within rectangle. Rooms is a new list of two eyes. Then or Room dot position dot x. Hey Wiley. I would Google Translate that, but you can't copy stuff in but I can in Google. Hey. No, I don't want to retract the message. It's no matter. Yeah. Just testing me, Yeah, I think I've made a bit of a breakthrough, you know, instead of having an actual point in the room, I'm just going to chuck it. We'll get the maximal rectangle just as is, and then generate the room based in that. I'm not weeb enough. Yeah, that's correct. I haven't even bothered to learn Japanese, to be honest. That's a lot of FOE for. Yeah, unfortunately, that's kind of you could really just copy. You could really get rid of this and just iterate over the whole thing in one for loop. But it's for readability, it's better to just have it in two because it's the same amount of stuff that gets iterated over anyway. So. Yeah, big O notation just isn't everything. I is there, I is J from position dot Y, not X. Cells used I J equals true. Var rooms graph equals new A star to grid 2D rooms graph dot region equals new rect 2I 0 0 floor dimensions dot x plus 1 floor dimensions dot y plus 1 like that. Then graph dot set point solid IJ. Okay. I do need to specify the rectangle end as well. That max room size of global constant, yeah, it's set up here. These should be maxes. Stair pause dot x plus min room size. More dimensions dot x -1. Okay, what's wrong? Oh. Use the wrong kind of brackets. There we go. I'm just going to have set point slide on there, so pause, we can get rid of this and call this rectend minus rect pause because we want the size. So that's the rooms, that's the first stair rooms put in. Then while actually no. Bar cell count being 0. Cell count plus here. While cell count is less than floor dimensions. Hang on. Well, target cell count equals floor dimensions dot x multiplied by floor dimensions dot y multiplied by room density. Then while cell count is less than target cell count, bar max rect equals maximal rectangle. Yeah, I managed to implement the maximal rectangle algorithm just before you came. Room. I think we can just chuck these in as well. Then I'm in the process of refactoring, kind of. It must. Yeah, actually, I am in the process of Well, refactoring is more changing the structure of stuff to do that, but yeah, it's something it's more like I'm just chucking everything out that I did yesterday and starting again, really. So, I suppose you could call it that. If cells used XY, then that. If cells used neighbor cell dot X and cell dot Y. Like that. Wish the normal brackets would have their own dedicated key on the keyboard. Let's see. Yeah, that looks all right. Go. Right, let's see if this works. Because I'm not too, what's the word? Bullish about it. Oh, well, we'll use the Winger. While I'm waiting for this to build, oh no, it's happening. Nothing. Nothing in the console, so we need to wait for this thing to link to room within rectangle, tempted to divide by 0. Hmm. That's one. I reckon. Because, yeah, the range would be inclusive, so we just need to add one to it to stop the divide by zeros happening. I think. Okay, what's it now? Still this divide by zero. Huh. Next room size is too big, I reckon. East to Y. Try that. Still nothing. Give me a second, I need to refill my water. One wait for it to be about a minute or so, a few minutes, couple minutes. Yeah, we'll go like that. Still this divided by zero. How is this pos range y equaling 0? Okay, fine. Please tell me Dungeon Debug's the main scene. Okay, give me a sec, I'll get around to refilling that water. I'll put you on the loading screen. And that should fill me for the rest of the stream. Let's have a look. Right, let's see what's going on. Rectangle position and the rectangle lens are in the right spots, or at least sane spots. Okay. And X, position X, yes. So what's the size Y? Pos range X, pos range... End Y is that, and then the pos Y is not that because rect position dot Y is 0. End Y is 0, size Y is 2. Pos range Y is 0. Why would that be? Pos range Y is equals rect.end.y, which is the 2 minus 2. So it has to be 0. So pos range Y is 0 plus 1. That should be working as intended. Do I have to put brackets around this? Okay, I'll try that. Yeah, because this should also always equate to 0. Still nothing. Oh, here we go. Top left of rect is out of bounds 12 minus 11. Oh. In here. Why is max rect giving us... Max area width, max area height. Top left of rect is 12 negative 11. Max start minus equals end minus that. Okay, start is 0, 0. That's... No. End is 29, 19, 17, 30. Oh, no. compute the maximum area rectangle with a low right corner at IJ, and then width equals that, and then if the area is the width minus that, so the height. Oh no. No, wait, I think I've just got the height and width mixed up. How about now? Still nothing. Top left correct is outside bounds, -1, 2. Oh. So yeah, this is worthless. Okay, just get rid of this for the time being. Comment it out. See if the thing generates. Okay, protected. Bull is sell inbounds. Vector 2i was. This is on the other monitor. Shall drag it down here. Return pulse dot x is greater than or equal to 0, and pulse dot y is greater than or equal to 0, and pulse dot x is less than floor dimensions dot x, and pulse dot y is less than floor dimensions dot y. Okay. Good, good, good. Okay, now let's re-go. Okay, so we've generated our one room here. Which is correct, and then we need to generate everything else, but then it can't generate. So it should be from 0, 3 to 2930. I think the one had it as -1, 2. Which means in maximal rectangle. We just did this. How would that work? No, nothing. Oh no, wait, it's here. So we've got the maximum rectangle, we found a room within it, so we've added the room here, but then the room's out of bounds. Hang on. So that would mean that... I'm on the right lines with this. This is line 84, this one. Okay. Okay, oh, here we go. So yeah, the start 00 end 2919, that's correct. Cells used 1821, 1417, those are both inbounds. Index was outside the bounds of the array. What? Hang on, cell count 15, cells used. Ball 3020, yeah. So items to watch I's 14, J 20. Room. $14, $17, $4, $4. Yeah, that is out of bounds. So the offending code is here. No, that's not right. Okay, so rect dot position, clear all, rect 8042, that's correct. Yeah. 032916, yeah, that's also right. We're trying to look scary, it's like a one-time complex encounter. Yeah, it is. I'm getting close to it though. just a case on the edges. I just need to know where I'm supposed to put the. Okay, so here's our rectangle 2916. So size wise 4, pos wise 17, pos x 14, rect opposition wise 3, pos wise 17. Pulse range X is 25. Pulse range Y is 15. Yeah. So want a number between 0 and 15? Perhaps I don't need these. Then let's change this. No, still getting nothing. It's still the same. Okay, we'll probably rewrite this method just to see what's going on. So do we want to check if the rect's in bounds? Then don't know. So our size X is correct. 1 minus 1 that. Because we know that this is in bounds. It's gotta be some indexing error. No. Okay, so this first rect's fine. It's this second one. 0544. No, that's also fine. Right? Five, 3, 24, 16. That's completely in bounds. 16, 11, 2, 2. That's fine. 19, 10, 10, 19. Yeah. That's also in bounds. 35, 12, 12, 2, 2. Where's this 35 coming from? I thought it's into 30 by 20. Position X is 19. Whilst range X is 26. Rect.n 2919, yeah, that's correct. Rect.n minus size X, which is 27. (1019) size Y2, size X2. N.Y. Oh, I don't know. Okay, fine, we'll chuck this out and try again. Size X equals if we fix the size to be 3 by 3, rect.size.x. I'm going to hard code them to be all rooms going to be of size 3 by 3 except when they're not. Okay. Room within rectangle is that? Okay, so I'm going to make them... No, if I make them on top left, then they're all going to be in... Then all we're going to see a... No. But I do want them to... I do want it to work, so return next to I. Rect dot position. New vector 2i. Size X. Size Y. And then we'll work on randomizing it afterwards once we've actually get it showing. Okay. Yeah, you can see here they've get this one, then it just generates rooms of 3 around them, and they're all what's the word, connected to each other because they're all adjacent to one another. Okay. Equals rect dot position dot x plus randi percentage rect dot size dot y plus 1. going to build because fucking Randai giving along, because reasons. Okay, try this now. What now? It's this again. Okay. Hey, we got something. Except the rooms are... yeah, they're attached to each other, but that's fine. And they're of the same size, which is also fine. Ish. Question mark. What on earth are we causing this? Well, I know what's causing it. We need to generate with the room, but we need to expand the room within rectangle. Max room size +2. No, because then that'll affect the this one here. What if? Then if is selling bounds pos equals this, new vector 2i of I and j. And what? But then it would be is in cells used. What if? Are cells blocked? This is where it starts to get messy. If I is less, if I is greater than or equal to room dot position dot x and I is less greater than or equal to, sorry, j is greater than or equal to room position y. And so we're not in the border like that. And then we can just get rid of all this. Replace that. Then this would use cells blocked. And then we still use cells rules for the make cells. Just praying this works. Oh, we got something. Oh, hello. That actually worked like a charm. Huh. Okay, so now it's just a case of connecting these rooms up. Okay, can't believe that worked. Okay, right, so we've made the rooms like that. So it's just connect rooms. Okay, so it's movement graph. No, rooms graph. How does it say here? Connect random side of room I to random side of room I+1 modulo length rooms. Okay, just have a drink, a sippy. Connect rooms, so not var cells, it's I think the rooms are shuffled to begin with, so that's not going to be a problem. Count. Rooms is a list, right? Yes. List of rectifiers. Okay, so equals I plus 1% room stock count. So it handles the case of the last one, and it'll go down to 0. So if no, if room bar, hang on, bar current room equals rooms I. Count. If the current room is above the next room, and then we want to make it so that we don't go from the opposite sides, we go from the side or directly through. So I reckon we could probably do the top left. So if hang on, var room delta equals current room dot, no, next room dot position minus current room dot position sine. No, wait, don't want sine. If abs of room delta dot x is greater than the y delta, actually, can we get the center? Get center. Yeah, that might be better. Um, then if room delta dot x is greater than 0, next room to east of current room else to west of current room. It's 2i current doorway. Not new, it's next. Current doorway, next doorway, room delta dot x, room delta dot y. No. Current doorway equals current doorway equals current room dot no current room no new vector 2 I current room dot end dot x comma rng dot randi current room dot size dot y current room dot position dot y plus that random point on east side God, random number generation, such a pain in the arse in this game. In Godot. Next. Doorway equals new vector 2i. Current room dot. Nope, not current room, it's next room. Position dot x. Next room dot position dot x plus this. Random point on west side. And this, we just swap them around. Okay. Else. Y. This answer, it'll be the south. Random point on south side. North, north, south. So this will be current room dot position dot x plus this. And current room dot end y. Just to next room. Okay, and then all we just need to do now is copy this over and then swap them around. Then bar corridor equals, come on, movement no, not movement graph, rooms graph dot get point path. Current doorway. Next doorway. That's not going to work though, because both current doorway and hallway are solid because they are on the room. Then it's just a case of, if it's on the south side, +1, north side +1, size Y. No wait, these are +1, -1, -1, +1. This is just asking for a out of bounds error though. So if next room and current room are on the we need to put this as its own method, I reckon. So if the room delta of x is greater than the room delta of y, if room delta of y is 0, and then the room delta of x would be 0, but if they're both on, so I've got one on that corner there, and then one on this corner, on the top edge, then they're going to be connected via that. I don't know. I'll probably create ones with a ton of seeds and then see what the error actually is, if there is one. Then for each bar point in corridor, don't need to worry about cell count, but we'll have it in just for completeness. We don't want to put rooms graph inside because it's not in the rooms graph. Point.x, point.y. Cannot convert float to int. Vector to it's a grid, so it should be in a freaking start point to the path, the end point to the path. Vector to I from, vector to I to. If there's no valid path and allow partial purposes there. I swear down, if this lets you go through diagonals, then I'm gonna bloody flip. I think you can do rooms graph. Oops, not this. Diagonal mode equals diagonal mode dot never. That should fix that. Okay, let's try it. Oh no, wait, we don't have a J here. Okay, now let's try it. Okay. Oh, this is fucking awful. You can tell that there's rooms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but then the actual connections are... that's too much. Actually, you know what? This isn't half bad. Sure, you've got all these things here, but then you've got these little blocks here, and you've got like sort of a general hub room here. And then you've got corridors going through each one. If I put this in the caves biome, how'd that work? These events need to only... No, I think we can have them like that. It does look a bit small for a dungeon like that. So... do I make it bigger? Or do I just make the rooms smaller? So if I made the floor dimensions 50 by 50... how's that look? Can you go around? I mean, I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, okay, now that's a floor. Try making a tour. Yeah. Do you mean that can you access every space in it? Yes. Yes, because each room is connected to the next one in sort of a circle. The main problem, though, is that when we're connecting them, you get all this, like, screw round corridors that look horrible. Like, so you've got this, which is fine, kind of. You've got this and you've got this. Try making a tour like organising the rooms by position. Yeah, we could do that. This needs to be zoomable, I reckon. Okay, so you've got a really big bit here. So if you want to spy your monsters here. No, I mean like a player would go around scouting the area. Well, Yeah, I mean the player would. Oh, you mean? Oh, okay. Hang on, I'll try. I'll try that actually. So without do the same, but without revealing the minimap at the start, because yeah, just reveal this for for debug purposes. Okay, let's try that. Right, well, where's that line? Okay, it's dungeon. Should say mini map dot reveal all. Huh. Could have sworn I had it in here. Oh, it does. No, oh. So why is it not being... Oh, it's on match whole world. That's the whole words. That's why. Yeah, okay. Just comment this out. See how it looks. Okay, I'm probably also going to change the site radius. How long do you estimate on average a player will complete an area? I don't know. Ideally, I'd like it to be something like 20 minutes or so. But to be honest, I've no idea. Yeah, definitely think the site radius should be a square instead of a Y, instead of a cone shape. This looks all right. You can see there into these spaces, but you can also see around there, so of course there's also all the monsters that I need to work out. So I think the tight labyrinth, those need to be smaller because, you know, they're all the spaces are packed tight. You think you get lost. Yeah, I do need to. I keep trying to remind myself to mark the stairs on the minimap, but I keep forgetting. Craft order, get, sell, new position, value. Hell? Wait, does that work in this? Have I broken the stairs? Oh, that breaks it. Shit. I thought I'd gotten rid of that. In dungeon event. Well, now I have. Wait, that's the event there. No, it works. It works fine here. So this is the labyrinth, which is the. You see, in Unity, you'd have Text Mesh Pro, and this would auto size it, but that's not going to be the case. Also, the cockatrices aren't working because they can secrete venom, but they can't spit at the enemy. They can't spit it up. So and give them a take a screenshot for the Twitter. Because I haven't tweeted in a while. Of course, what you can do is you can just do this and just heal up. Like use this sort of strat, which is going to kill everybody. It's going to kill, you know, everybody's enjoyment. Unless I need to put some sort of a turn limit. Like, you know, the boys got hungry and had to return to camp or something like that. What's this debugger? Oh. Oh, it's targeting lines. Yeah, those aren't fixed yet. And Bettel's dead. Also, I need something about stamina. Yeah, that probably would be it. I was thinking more of a hunger meter, but... Also, I don't like them moving when someone else dies, and I don't know. Okay, yeah, it's probably something to look up, so hang on. Here you go, mechanics. I'll call it hunger for now. Prevents player from oscillating between two cells. To regain MP and then healing to full after every battle. Decreases every step. Make this at bullet points. Starts at N. Decreases every step. Yeah. When reaches 0. Party is kicked back to staging area. Yeah, it's like when you're trying to yeah, you just go in and you're like, oh yeah, let's fight this big dust dragon. Oh wait, no, we're too hungry, we'll have to go back and come back for it. Somehow I can kind of see the boys doing that. But then again, not really. Max value can be increased by finding key items like barbecue or whatever. So it's kind of like the ship mini game from Etrian Odyssey 3. Yeah, you get provisions and you go in and yeah, you get better provisions and you can go further. So it's like that, but in the main game. So it'll let them oscillate a little bit, but not by much. Hunger was a wizardry staple too. Yeah, but hunger would kill. Hunger. Well, I suppose hunger did kill the party in wizardry. I think. Did it? Yeah, I think killing the party would just be a bit too cruel. Probably just kick them back to the staging area, you know, keep all your items and all your experience. Why not? Yeah, you starved, you died. Okay, so that's that. The hunger mechanic. Right, what else? Oh yes, the mini-map. This. No, it's a dungeon map renderer, that's what it's called. This. Right. Draw the tile edges, yes. And then if the tile object type is greater than 0, get minimap icon. Stamina was a mechanic in Terror Labyrinth. Characters ran out of TP would get booted back to camp. You had a party of 12, so the game revolved around TP management and is consumed in a lot of ways. I think I played Terror Labyrinth like several years ago. I must have more than 10 years ago. When did Terror Labyrinth release? I think I played it like, you know, ages upon ages ago, and I do remember that. I didn't really get very far. I think I only managed to get to like the second floor, and then I just got bored. Okay, so get minimap icon, which is this. Upstairs, downstairs, return upstairs icon, but then the upstairs icon UID is not, hang on. One was 2009, two was 2012, got released on Steam in 2020. Ah, I see, yes. I think I played 2. Yeah, that would line up with my when I was still in Toho, into Toho. Free oh, they're making a free. Oh. That's nice to hear. I might actually play through it then. Right, if I copy this path, plonk that there, copy this path here, plonk it here, then if tile.tile object type is that, but the dungeon tile object type isn't, it gets set to normal, doesn't it? Because the tile is elsewhere. No, the oh frick. Oh, I remember I I did implement the up and downstairs being shown on the map, and then I made a change and it stopped doing it, and I think I know what that change was. How many games do I play? I play one game a year, but back when I was something like that would work if you don't want the player to just live forever in the dungeon like kind of most EOs. Yeah. I mean, I don't. To be honest, I just dot around. To be honest, I just play. Was it Final Fantasy 14? And about. I'd say about 3 games a year as well, in addition to Final Fantasy 14. So I'm just working through SMT5 Vengeance, and that's about it. Oh, and Slay the Spire. I have phases where I'm really into Slay the Spire, and then I'm not interested in it, and then interested in it again, and then I'm not, and then yeah. Okay, so how do I? So draw the space and then floor map dot get tile, but that's a dungeon floor map. Get tile. How does it get the tile? Okay, is that dungeon floor map? Where's get tile? This is a dungeon floor map cell, which is tiles, which means it gets saved in there. So how do we generate these? Where do we generate these? Okay, new dungeon floor mapping current floor, which has these, which is a dungeon floor base, which is this class here. Which has staircases right here. Okay, so dungeon floor map. Export. Private. Wait, dungeon floor map cell. Which is down here? No. Dungeon tile object type, I think. That. So I've got dungeon stairs here, which is the floor interactables, but then some of the interactables don't need to be or shouldn't be shown. The only ones that do need to be shown are the upstairs and the downstairs, but we already have that in tile object type. So then floor interactables. I should probably rewrite this bit because it's just too confusing. Switch on. No. We can't switch because it's the types we need. Wait, yes, we can. Switch on interactable dot get type name case dungeon stairs. Bar stairs equals interactable as dungeon stairs. If there's dot is upstairs, then do that thing. Bar tile equals interactable dot low grid position. Tile number. Dot x multiplied by dimensions. Oops. Dot y plus interactable dot grid position dot y. Then tiles tile num dot tile object type equals stairs dot is upstairs question mark dungeon tile object type dot upstairs dungeon tile object type dot downstairs. Let's see if this works, because then in the dungeon map renderer it's on draw, so it'd be always on the new one. Draw it in black, yes. Hey, it works. See the downstairs there. Yeah, I really think this map should be zoomable. Let's try it with the upstairs as well. This is different? I do need to rework the attack lines. Either make them... I don't know. Yeah, the upstairs shows. It's also the stored attack that's bug. Okay, I'll use that debug to heal to full. Enemy 0 clicked, enemy 0 clicked, enemy 0 clicked. Ah. Right, I want to find out where this is being done in so I can find it. Right, enemy index is going to be in the enemy display. Oh, okay. Battle scene. Oh, I haven't set these enemy indexes, that's why. Or I did, and Goddo just put them back for some reason. 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. save this battle scene and then move that back up. Let's back up and then you shouldn't be able to rotate the party if you shouldn't be able to rotate the party if you're in battle. Okay, now let's have a look at this on display click, emit signal display click to event handler. So if I find this in files just to find out what's hooked up to it. Enemy display doesn't have anything hooked up to it. There's player party UIs which have this, but the enemies themselves don't. So I'm going to have to go into battle scene and handle it from there. Entity display dot display clicked plus equals on enemy. Oh no, this is the player party. That's fine. It's the enemies that I want to look at. Enemy display dot display clicked plus equals on enemy display clicked. Generate this. Put it at the bottom. Get rid of all this commented out stuff as well. Don't need it. GD dot push warning to do focus on enemy sender. Dot enemy index. Okay, I've got stuff to do tomorrow, so I'm afraid I'm gonna have to end it there after I've done my version control stuff. Oh, wait. I'm not on that. I don't want to use this repo. There we go. Okay, so hang on, we made these changes here. Added linked runes generation algorithm. Fixed floor stairs not showing on maps. Added placeholder for enemy display clicking. Updated enemy indices. Indices. For debug purposes. Now, minimap no longer loaded from profile. I think we'll leave it there. So that's everything sorted. Get rid of this, and that's fine. So next stream will probably be implementing that stamina mechanic. Probably not going to be tomorrow, because I've got stuff need doing, which is why I'm ending it when I am. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day wherever you are in the world. I shall see you soon.